Hello and welcome to another siding transformation. I'm Aaron with Direct Siding, and this one we took from vinyl to a stunning James Hardie Color Plus evening blue with cobblestone. When it comes to replacing the siding on a multifamily property these days, James Hardie Color Plus is certainly among the best options for you to consider because it's going to do a couple of things. It's going to lock in your maintenance for 15 years, zero paint, guaranteed, and additionally, it's also going to make your property look absolutely stunning so that you can charge the best rent prices that you possibly can for that property. This property is a low-income property, so it wasn't really affecting that factor, but not having to have a paint crew come and visit every 5 years or so, and also shortening the installation from the get-go, and we actually completed it over winter. So that combination of factors make James Hardie Color Plus a really great choice for both contractors and property owners. Had this been a prime product, we would have had to have waited until spring to then finish the paint job. But because it was a pre-painted product, it's really nice for the contractor as we can just roll right through winter, just working on the dry days and skipping the days that we got rain and snow. One thing you'll notice about this site is it's very logistically tight. A lot of trees, very, very difficult access with the interior courtyard there. No real access with vehicles or anything, so a lot of manual labor to set up those areas of the job site. But our team, as we specialize in 100% siding, we really know how to efficiently complete jobs even like this. So if you're considering a siding replacement on your multifamily property or home, and especially if you're considering a product like James Hardie, which does require some technical expertise to do correctly, I highly recommend considering a company that does specialize exclusively in siding. Above and beyond that, our teams exclusively focus on pre-finished siding. So we really ensure our customers are getting the best Color Plus pre-finished siding installation possible when they call us. So if you're in the Boise area or even in the North Idaho area or Eastern Washington, we would love to see if our team at Direct Siding is a good fit for your project. Please give us a call today at 208-230-4168, and thank you so much for tuning in. If you can like or share the video with anyone you think might find this information interesting, we do appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.